So you will make $97, 57, 37, 37, and if they reject, you will make 67, 57, 37, 37. Okay, so quickly, first you guys simply came to ClickBank Marketplace or Digistore24. It's completely up to you. And now I'm gonna click on e-marketing and e-business known as Make Money Online. And now I'm gonna go and select a very broad offer, because the method I'm gonna show you how to promote these offers, we need a very broad offer that attracts a lot of people. Okay, so we are going to promote one of like jobs related offer, because there is a extremely high demand right now for remote jobs, online jobs. You guys can see it's a live chat job. You guys can see $44, 142 gravity. Like a lot of people are promoting and making really good money. So you guys can also promote exactly same. This is offer, like it's also a job related offer. Scroll down, like write app reviews, also a job related offer. Online paid jobs, also a job related offer. So you guys can select any of these offers, but I'm gonna go and promote this #1 offer. And one of the best thing is, you guys can see it's a $1 trial offer, and this offer gives you 75% commission. $1 trial means, listen carefully, these people will pay $1, and after 7 days this website will cut $29 and you will get commission. But after $1, this website starts selling upsells, and if anyone buy upsells, you will also get exactly same commission. Okay, so now all you need to do is simply click promote, get your affiliate link, and save in your notepad. And if you click on the affiliate page, so once you click on the affiliate page, you guys can see like there is a lot of things they will provide you: SMS, email swipes, banners, FB ads. If I scroll down quickly, I'm going to show you. You guys can see this vendor basically provide you almost everything that you need to promote, but normally we don't need a lot of things, to be very honest, from here. So if you're promoting through Google Ads, you guys can see they also provided you keywords. Okay, and you guys can see these are the, you call it demographics, like females age 35 and up. Okay, females are converts really well, to be honest. You guys can see here, and you guys can see these are the countries: US, Australia, Canada, UK, Croatia, Italy. And scroll down, and these are the terms and condition. Okay, if I click this, and there's a really high job. Once you've got the affiliate link, quickly I'm going to show you. So if you go to Google Trends, and if you type live chat jobs worldwide, and you guys can see the trend is really high after the COVID. Like a lot of people is looking for live chat jobs, online jobs, like remote jobs from home. People are basically looking for jobs from home. If you scroll down, you guys can see these are the top countries looking for online job, basically, like Jamaica, UK, Kenya, United States, Canada. If you go, like there's a lot of country people are looking for like online jobs. So there is extremely high demand in the market at this moment after the COVID. Okay, so once you've got your affiliate link, now let's go. I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. So the next step is, you guys simply came to systeme.io, and we are going to create a landing page. So simply click on funnels. Basically systeme.io is completely free, that's why I am showing you guys. Okay, so once you click on the funnels, you guys simply click create, and you guys literally name anything your funnel. For example, I'm going to call it new. Simply select custom and simply click save. So once you click save, now you guys can see there's a lot of templates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and select this template. For example, select this one. You guys can select any template, it's up to you, because we are going to delete every single thing. Simply click on edit page, and we are going to delete every single thing from this template, and we're going to build our landing page from completely scratch. Okay, so you guys can see quickly I'm going to delete every single thing from this template, and we are going to build our landing page from completely scratch. So right now you guys can see I delete every single thing from this template, and I'm going to build my landing page from scratch. Quickly drag and drop, click this, scroll down, and I'm going to go with like shadows, blurry shadow. I'm going to go with like rounded corners, 5 for all. I'm going to do this, click this, and I'm going to add my headline. So quickly I'm going to copy and paste my headline. So that's my headline, and I'm going to add, for example, looking for 5 people. Okay, and I'm going to increase the size or maybe decrease the size like this, and quickly I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to change the color to black, and I'm going to change the font, Google say font, and you guys can select any font, it's up to you. Okay, it's definitely up to you. Click this, scroll down, and I'm going to go with like, for example, 900 black. Okay, so how it looks like, let's see. So it looks decent, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to say like pay an hour, and I'm going to change the color to something like green. So you guys can see this is how it looks like, and now I'm going to add my sub headline. So simply click this, and you guys can see text, drag and drop, and I'm going to copy and paste my sub headline. So quickly I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to change the color to something like black first. So I change the color to black, and I am going to go with like only 5 spots available. So I'm going to go with like only 5 spots. Click this, and I'm going to go with like red, something like this, and you guys can see it, so it looks good. And I'm going to also add brackets so it looks more good, right? So once it's done, you guys can also able to change the font, up to you, but to be honest it looks good. Scroll down quickly. I'm gonna drag and drop image. Where is the image? Drag and drop. So it's not necessary, but I'm gonna upload an image. You guys can upload any kind of image, so give me a second. So right now you guys can say I uploaded this kind of image. So scroll down a little bit and you guys can see I'm gonna go with like border radius, so I'm gonna go with like 5 for all. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also add a shadow so this image looks a little bit good. So it's not necessary, but if you want to add it, so if you add image, the landing page looks a little bit good, right? So that's why I added. Simply drag and drop, and in here all you need to do, insert your call to action. So before I'm going to insert my call to action, I'm going to remove my subheadline, scroll down, and I'm going to change the color to something like red. Again, scroll down and you guys can see border color is also, I'm going to click on red. Scroll up and you guys can see shadow. I'm gonna go with like blurry shadow, and I'm gonna go with like rounded corner 7 for all, and you guys can see this is how it looks like. And last thing is I'm gonna also add a shadow, but first I'm gonna add my call to action. So I added my call to action, like click apply. I click here to apply now, and I'm gonna go with like increase the size, and I'm gonna also change the font because this does not looks good. Click this and I'm gonna go with like, for example, 900 black, and now you guys can see it looks really neat and clean. So our landing page is almost done. You guys can see that's my headline: looking for 5 more people to live support job on our website. We pay $15 to $25 an hour, remote job from home. If you're interested, apply now. Only 5 spots available. So it's a like child job kind of illustration image, so I use. And in here, make sure you guys click this and go with like open URL. In here you guys can insert your affiliate link and simply click save changes. Okay, so once it's done, now let's go. I'm going to show you how we are going to promote our this offer, so let's go. So the next step is you guys simply came to this website, and this website is called ppcmade.com. so this is a really good website, like a lot of people are using to promoting their offers. And you guys can see they have like more than 1 billion unique visitor. They will provide you monthly, and you guys can see all these things like supply, and you guys can see coverage and media channels. Okay, so we are going to run our ads on this offer, and you guys can on this platform basically. And to be honest, it's one of the best and one of the cheapest platform, and they will provide you, and they will also provide you quality traffic. Okay, so you guys can see also they have reviews. Okay, so all you need to do is simply scroll all the way up, and you guys simply click on advertise platform and simply click create your completely free advertising account. So I already have account, so all you need to do is simply register and create your completely free account. So I already have account. Quickly I'm going to log in, and I'm going to show you what are we going to do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I'm logged in my PPC made account. So once you log in first time, you guys can see exactly same page. Okay, exactly same layout. So there's like a couple of different things. So you will see campaigns. Okay, so what's our objective? We are looking for boost our website, and we only need traffic or SEO. If you want to boost your website and you need to increase SEO, select traffic. But we need sales, right? Leads. We don't need leads, basically we need sales. So select sales and simply scroll down, and you guys can see there are 3 objectives. So one is not available at this moment, it's coming soon. So we are going to with like push notification. It is one of the most converting. You guys can see quality, because people will first see your ad and then people will click it. Okay, so this is one of the most converting and quality traffic they will provide you. Now in here, first thing is you guys can name your campaign. So we are promoting like live chat job, so I'm gonna type, for example, chat. It's up to you, you guys can name anything. And here we are going to insert our landing page link, and here I'm gonna add my title, basically means headline, and small description. In here I'm gonna upload images, and then I'm gonna show you. So first give me a second. Quickly I'm gonna upload images, add my title, basically headline and description, and quickly I'm going to show you. So right now you guys can see I added my title, like looking for 5 people for online job. We pay $15 to $25 an hour, remote job from home. And you guys can see I uploaded exactly same images in icon and in here, because the reason is sometimes this push notification only show this image and sometimes show both images. So normally if show one image, so I want like people will able to see exactly same image, and you need to test like which creatives gives you high quality CTR, like high quality traffic. Basically CTR, the more higher your CTR is, the more traffic you will get in cheaper price. So you guys can also able to do split test, add more creatives and add more creatives if you want. Okay, but right now I'm gonna go with like 1 creative. Scroll down and you guys can see cost per click 0.003 cents, so it's really good. You guys can also able to like smart CPC. So I'm gonna go with like uncheck in smart CPC. So you guys can also able to start your advertising campaign just $1 a day. okay, but I suggest start with like $5 a day so you guys can see a little bit traffic. Okay, so you will see a lot of traffic because this website provide you extremely cheap traffic, you guys can see, in 0.003 cents, and it's a really broad offer we use, so that's why a lot of people will click. Okay, and next thing is I'm gonna select United States. Okay, definitely United States. Okay, so I selected United States. You guys can also able to select browser language, so I'm gonna uncheck this. It's okay, so every single thing is okay. And last thing is you need to add your landing page link, and done. So once you added your landing page link, then all you need to do is simply click create the campaign. So now you guys can see our campaign is published successfully. You will see all the impressions, all the visitors. You will able to see cost per click, and we selected push notifications, and in here you will able to see how much you spend. So not delivery, basically our creatives means our ads are in pending. Once they approve, then this ad will start running. Okay, so it will take some time. So once it start running, you will able to see results. Okay, and make sure if you're spending like $5 a day, make sure to spend at least, go with like 5 days and see what kind of results you're getting. If you're getting good results, and make sure your CPC, basically your CTR is more than at least 3%. Okay.